Hey guys, so in my last video I was talking about what tattoo numbing cream I use, and that's the one literally called tattoo numbing cream. But on this video I'm gonna go over how I apply it, or how you should apply it before your tattoo appointment. And that of course is after you verified with your tattoo artist personally if it is okay to use this numbing cream, because you might get sent home for using it. So I think after this whole COVID thing is done, I'll actually go ahead and make like a step-by-step video of me applying it on my client. But for now, bear with me. So the process is relatively simple from the client's perspective. Once you've gotten the okay from your artist, and again, I cannot stress that enough. Once you've gotten the okay, make sure that you apply a nice thick 2mm layer. And no, if you don't understand that lingo, just kind of lather it on. After you lather it onto the area, what you're going to want to do is wrap it in saran wrap. Now, the reason that you're wrapping it is so that it stays on the skin soaking in without actually drying on it. And that will actually enable you to maximize the potency of this product. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how long should I leave it on? So, the box says leave it on for 90 minutes, and in my past experience, I think that's just about right. So, after talking to various artists, we all kind of agree that applying heat to the area tends to open the pores and soak in the formula a lot better. So, what you want to do after wrapping it with saran wrap is either A, put a sweater on, or B, maybe sit in the sun for a little bit. The warmth allows for the pores in the area to open and absorb the product, and that's pretty much all you'd ever have to worry about. Once you apply it, let it sit, you pretty much just keep it wrapped. By the time you get to the artist should remove the wrap, wipe down, and prep the area. Now, you're ready for your tattoo. That's pretty much it for how to apply tattoo numbing cream. Thanks for joining me, guys. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and make sure you come back for more tattoo advice. My goal here is to make your tattoo experience the most pleasant one you can have. Thank you. But also, check out my Instagram.